prepare to meet Batbar and Explosion! I won't be doing much of the play, but I will do this. Panic! Okay, guys, now I'll just let that thing go. Okay. Cal signed out, so Kai stay back.
Bye-bye.
Let's see what happens when I stay out here.
He's probably gonna die though.
Yes!
Oh, he survived! Okay. Now he gets to go again because he's out.
Oh, just so you know, my youth. Oh, that's mine. That's mine. I'm Batbar rules.
Batbar? Yeah, I gotta tell you this. This is not even on mine. This is Batbar's own thing, so that's why I'm letting them do most of the gameplay.
Yep.
Yeah, just stay out here, Kai TBW.
Okay, now it's your turn, right?
Just call me Kai, Bat. Just call me Kai.
And Kai over here is signed out.
This is remember, Explosion.
House!
Say hi,
High school!
Hi.
High school!
Jesse, calm down. Batbar.
Hi, I'm Explosion.
This is Explosion.
Hey, I'm Batbar.
Okay, and I'm Kai, as you know. Just remember our voices and you can tell us out.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
I want to be a teacher!
That's ironic. His name is Batbar, right? But look, he's wearing an Explosion shirt. Boom.
That's me!
And of course, it's on my channel.
So it's actually all of ours.
It's all three of us mixed into one video.
Yeah, it has my name. It has an explosion on my shirt, and it's Kai's
Channel.
Jen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, Tsunami! Get to high ground.
Come on, get the high ground. Get those stairs up the stairs.
Up the stairs!
Get up to the roof.
And Tsunami is gigantic,
A
dude.
tsunami's a giant wave. Come on, find the more stairs. This is terrible ground.
This is the highest ground.
Go up there.
Get on the water.
I'm on with the boys.
You're probably gonna die.
Batbar.
Okay, if he dies, I get to play, guys.
I don't know what to call it, so I'll just call you Batbar. That guy chickened out.
Explosion.
Explosion can play the next
Round.
disaster.
If I die,
I'll play the third
If he
one.
dies.
If he dies. No, not just.
Oh! Well, no, if it starts, the screen starts moving when the tsunami hits. Oh! 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 He survived! He survived!
He climbs onto the wall, but he's alive.
He's alive!
Wow.
Wow!